Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best pad see ew recipe, y'all. And this is a traditional Thai dish that translates to stir-fried soy sauce. Doesn't sound amazing, but let me tell you, it is amazing. It is super delicious. And y'all, this will be under my Asian inspired recipe playlist, so make sure you check this recipe along with others out there. And I am taking you, this is some footage. I went to one of our local markets. We have this really big market called Dragon Star, and all of the veggies are so delicious. Look at the baby bok choy, isn't that cute? And then for this recipe, I was looking for Chinese broccoli, and this is what it looks like, and it's super affordable. They're veggies and just $1.25, y'all. Come on now. So I'm gonna grab a package of those, and then the sauce aisle, y'all. Listen, my hubby knows when I'm in this aisle, we're gonna be there about 15-20 minutes, because look at how many varieties and different styles of sauces that you have. And I just refill my sauces every time I'm here. I'm grabbing some sweet soy today, and then we get to the noodle aisle, y'all. I mean, just shelf upon shelf of noodles. It is so amazing, y'all. And then look at this. That's just rice papers, okay? But I am going to grab some Cantonese style noodles. I'm going to use that for another recipe, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. And then for today's recipe, we're going to get some rice flakes. So these rice flakes are super affordable at your Asian market, so I highly recommend visiting them. But you can also get them online. So for the recipe, I have some chicken breast that I have sliced up. Of course, we have that Chinese broccoli. I got some sprouts. And then for our sauce mixture, I have some sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then I also am going to be using some browning sauce, but you can use soy sauce. And then I have some dark soy sauce that I'm using. And then again, the rice flakes. So these were $1.09 a package, but you can get them on Amazon for 11 times the price. But I will put the link in the description in case you can't get them. Then I also have some fish sauce, some cornstarch, and then salt and pepper. And then I also am going to be using some eggs and brown sugar and minced garlic. So for the noodles, you're going to put them in some hot water and then let them soak for about 5 minutes. And then after that time, I'm going to drain that and add some cool water and let them soak for about 5 minutes. So while those are soaking, I'm just gonna season up my chicken, and all of the recipes and measurements will be in the description box. So make sure you check that out, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much to those who already have. So I'm just going to mix that up and set it off to the side. And then we're going to prep our broccoli. So you're going to see the leaves. All we're going to do is remove the leaves from the stems. And then you see little florets on there, but it's not a traditional American broccoli. And I'm just going to slice up the stems like so. And that is going to be that delicious crunch to balance out in the dish that we're making. And it is so good, you guys. So whenever I cook an Asian dish, I always start with my eggs first. So I see other people will add their eggs last, but I like to keep them brighter and fluffier, so I do that. Then I'm going to cook the chicken, and while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to mix up my sauce recipe. And the recipe that I'll put in the description is enough for extra sauce so that you don't have a dry noodle. And y'all, when I tell you this dish is amazing, my boss and I tried this at a Thai restaurant, and she introduced me to these noodles, and I fell in love, y'all. And it is so, I mean, as you can see, super simple, and it's so amazing, y'all. So the noodles have sat in the cool water, and they should become white and then, you know, foldable. You're going to drain those, and we're going to add them to our mixture, and just stir that up. And then we're going to add in our sauce and then give it another quick stir. So this is stir fry soy sauce. So, you know, you have your sauce with the soy in there, mix it up with your veggies and your noodles. And then I'm going to add in some sprouts just for some color and contrast and crunch. And then lastly, my eggs. And y'all, look at this. Come on. Listen, how could you not love this recipe? I mean, it is a different style, something that you can try out, you know, if you want to impress somebody, okay? But look at this, y'all. Look, go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. I'm drooling, y'all. Listen, it is so good. But anyway, okay, I'm back. But y'all, hit the notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.